Hungry.
Sponsored by Combos.
I'm done.
Okay. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in again. And right now we're gonna be installing Downstar hardware. I'm going to remove one of those bolts. Well, I already removed it and I cleaned it with super green. Yeah, just gonna do with the axle. Let's see how that turns out. Also, I'm gonna be removing little by little. I'm just gonna see like measurements because since I've purchased the Downstar measurement plate and it really helped out, I'm gonna be buying more hardware from Downstar. And my buddy over here with Combos, we're gonna be
The other side.
yeah, we're gonna be doing the other side. So I'm gonna let him do it. He already got the idea. I showed him, you know, the way how to do it. It was dirty underneath there. I had to use more super green. That's the only update that I have right now. As you can see that I have a stock wheels back on since it's gonna be winter, you know, ready for the snow. That's about it. That's what we're doing, just updating the hardware. You ready?
We'll be back when it's done.
So this is what we got. Nice half burn titanium. Comes with the washer. Just give it a little dab. Oh shit, too much dab. All right, you could just do what you have to do. If you guys wondering why I didn't add the other bushing, the AT Coupe bushings, I'm getting a different subframe. I mean a new subframe because this one sort of has their minor damages. We're gonna be purchasing a new one, so I'm gonna need to remove that bushing and swap it to the new one, and then you're gonna see the differential kit. You're not hanging it, right? You're working. You're working it.
I think I broke something. I'm not paying for it.
You know? You know?
You gotta turn the whole thing around. Take out the e-brake.
All right.
Madre.
Looks nice. Ah, f you. Oh man, I jizzed on myself.
Just basically need just one more right there, as you can see, and then we're gonna work on the other side right there. And my partner forgot to put the e-brake, so that's why this thing is twisting completely.
Oh shit, hold on. Looks nice. Titanium. Right?
The other one was actually more tighter. It just only one of them was actually loose and it was leaking grease.
So right now he's removing the old bolts that is in the axle. So swapping these babies over here. Right? Downstar. For the Genesis Coupe people, if you are planning to purchase these hardwares for the axles, I'm just going to show the size under this description. I use this is the size of the Allen key, will be the 8s. I purchased this in Harbor Freight. You're over here laughing. A $2,000 exhaust that is already damaged. Look, because of Freddy. Because he want to be cool.
And there goes the evidence right there.
Let me show you guys.
Oh, that looks just beautiful.
This is the final touches. And yeah, I like it. What do you think?
You did a good job.
We did a good job. It's easy. It's not that hard. But for those of you haven't changed your axles, you're gonna have a tough time removing the old bolts that has 12 point, what you call that, spikes the tooths of the bolt, the OEM bolts. So you guys gonna have a tough time. You need to make sure you get the right tool for that. I purchased mine in Amazon. This is the titanium washers, and it's from Downstar, and it's really looking good. Awesome. We're gonna sign this out. You already know, guys. Comment and subscribe. It really help us. Thank you, Downstar. You're the man. Also, Una Fabrication, the most legitimate people on earth. Peace.